गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
That today is the day you are doing all this, the most important thing in one's life as a parent. So you are also saying thank you and seeking the permission of source. Shall we begin? Today is the marking of the main day. This is the pre-ceremonies. Ganesh Puja हो गई तो everything will go without any obstacles. So इसलिए आप भगवान से permission मांगिए. Imagine करिए आपको permission मिल गई. Whoever here present are elder to you. You gonna go and seek their blessings. Then you're gonna take this chandan, or they can come here. That elder person will apply tika on your forehead, and same goes for you. Either between your eyebrows, just a halka tika, or just on top of your mang tika. Okay, sindoor jaise. So ले जाइए. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. प्रणवस्य परब्रह्म ऋषि परमात्मा देवता देवी गायत्री छंद प्राणायामे विनियोगा. ओम भुवा ओम भवा ओम महा ओम जना ओम तपा ओम सत्यम ओम तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ओम आपो ज्योतिरसोमृतं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरोम. ओम अपसर्यन्तु ते भूता ये भूता भूमि संस्थापिता ये भूता विघ्नकर्तारस्य गच्छन्तु शिवाज्ञया अपक्रामन्तु भूतानि पिशचां सर्वतो दिशं सर्वशाम विरोधेन पूजा कर्म समारंभे. Okay, so you're gonna touch the tip of your tongue, and that's the spot where goddess of wisdom Saraswati ji resides on. Okay, so you're gonna arouse her, telling her that whatever words comes out of my mouth throughout the ceremony needs to be honest and authentic enough. And you're gonna pray to Tulsi ji, binti करिए उनसे कि मेरे अंदर बसे हुए सारे दुर्गुण at least for coming few hours smother them all while bring all my good qualities out. So you're gonna chew up the tulsi leaf. If you don't want to, take a bite and discard the rest. Yeah, okay, go ahead. So touch the tip of your tongue. And chew it up. Perfect. महागणपतये नमो नमः. इष्टदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः. कुलदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः. ग्रामदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः. स्थानदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः. वास्तुदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः, मातृपितृभ्यो नमो नमः, उमामहेश्वराभ्यो नमो नमः, शचीपुरन्दराभ्यो नमो नमः, श्री लक्ष्मीनारायणाभ्यो नमो नमः, आदित्यादि नवग्रह देवताभ्यो नमो नमः, सर्वेभ्यो अष्टक्षेत्रपाले नमो नमः, सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमो नमः, सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमो नमः, निर्विघ्नमस्तु. Now Parulben, whatever you are holding, transfer it to his wrist. Now both of you gonna get up. आप यहाँ से बेल भी ले जाओगे और आपके आई वुड प्रिफर द गणेश जी सिटिंग इन योर मंदिर. ओके हाँ, वहाँ से गणेश जी को इनके हाथों की चीजें हैं उनके ऊपर बिठा के बेल रिंग करते हुए सेरेमनियसली ले आइए. पिलो गजकर्णकाः लंबोदर शविकटो विघ्ननाशो गणाधीपा धूम्रकेतु गणाध्यक्षो भालचंद्रो गजानना द्वादशैतानि नामानि यः पठे शृण्वयादपि विद्यारंभे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा संग्रामे संकटे चैव विघ्न तस्य न जायते. शुक्लामधरं देवं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्ते. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते. सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु नास्ति तेषां मङ्गलं शां कुतस्तेषां पराजयाः. येषाम् अरविन्दोश्यामो हृदयस्थो जनार्दनाः विनायकं गुरुं भानु ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वरान् सरस्वतीं प्रणमाद्यौ सर्वकार्यार्थसिद्धये सर्वकामार्थसिद्धये बलाये श्रिये श्री गजाननाय नमो नमः. निर्विघ्नतापूर्वकं संस्थापयामि. Whenever we do the sankalpa, that's simply declaring the intent for the occasion. But ये है first half of the sankalpa where you as the parent of the girl, you are giving me the authority not just to conduct this ceremony, but I am the same priest or officiant who's going to do the wedding part as well. So without the parents' consent, I can't move forward. So that's the first sankalpa you are about to be making, that you are giving me the authority to do this marriage part on your behalf. So both of you repeat after me. Mama Atmanaha Shruti Smriti Puranokta Phala Praptyartham Asmakam मम अस्य कन्याः विवाह संस्कार सिद्ध्यर्थे ब्राह्मण द्वारा से द नेम ऑफ योर गोत्र गोत्रेभ्यो अधिकार गोदानम उत्सृज्य कर्मणः भवन्तु ब्रुवन्तु भवन्तु ब्रुवन्तु भवन्तु ब्रुवन्तु. आपने त्रिवार 3 बार मुझे जो बोला है अधिकार लेने के लिए, आई एम गोइंग टू से द नेम ऑफ माय गोत्र एंड एक्सेप्ट इट. कर्मणः अधिकार सिद्ध्यर्थाः विवाह संस्कार सिद्ध्यर्थे इति वशिष्ठे गोत्रेभ्यो कर्मणः अधिकार ग्रहणं भवन्तु ब्रुवन्तु भवन्तु ब्रुवन्तु भवन्तु ब्रुवन्तु. Whatever you are holding, you gonna add petals to it too. All right. अब आपको ये पूरा बंद करके रखना है. Now this is the actual puja part. While we are making that declaration of intention, this is only meant for today's occasion. So through this sankalpa part, you guys are considered to be the host of the ceremony. आप यजमान हो आज इस कार्य विधि के. So through you guys, you are making a promise out loud. Whatever you are about to be doing is not because anybody is forcing you to, with your own free will. ये सब करने में आपकी खुशी है, इसलिए आप ये करने जा रहे हो. Also, you are making a promise that whatever we have gathered here for the conducting this ceremony part, it's to the best of my ability, it's to the best of my knowledge. I may make few mistakes or I may lack in few things here and there, but my intentions are really pure and true at my heart. So, you are also saying, you guys are doing this sankalpa for your daughter's marriage. You are here doing that part, but you are representing all such family and even friends, those who have seen her from maybe her birth onwards turning into such a beautiful lady till date. So you are doing this from everybody's behalf. Keep a very humble thought and send that e-white to that Almighty where that divinity needs to be. We don't want that divinity to go to other devotees' places. We want to have full focus, full attention of that positive at this spot, at this hour. Okay? So keep all those thoughts in your mind and then you have to repeat quite a few Sanskrit words after me. Whatever I explained to you just now, that's what those words means. Okay? श्रीमद्भगवतो महापुरुषस्य विष्णोराणज्ञा प्रवर्तमानस्य अद्य ब्रह्मण्यो द्वितीये परार्धे श्रीश्वेतवराहवाहकल्पे वैवमन्वन्तरे कलियुगे अमेरिकाखण्डे ब्राजोसतिरे शालिवाहनशके 1946 उत्तरायणे चैत्रमासे कृष्णपक्षे द्वितीयादिने विशाखानक्षत्रे व्यक्तिपातयोगे तौतीलकर्णे तुलारासे. Now say the name of your gotra again and now repeat after me. Mama Atmanaha Shruti Smruti Puranokta Phala Praptyartham Asmakam Saha Kutumbanam Saha Parivaranam Kshema Sthairya Ayu Arogya Aishwarya Abhi Vruddhyartham Mama Asya Kanyaha Vivaha संस्कार सिद्ध्यर्थे निर्विघ्नता पूर्वकम महागणपति मंडप देवता आवाहनार्थे सकल षोड शोपचारे पूजनम करिष्ये. तदत्रौ कुलदेवता आवाहन मातृका देवता आवाहन नांदी श्राद्ध वरुणादि कलश स्थापनार्थे दीप घंटा पूजन आदित्यादि नवग्रह पूजन हवनादि सकल कर्म करिष्ये. Now whatever you are holding, pass it on to his. Touch his right wrist with your right. ओम गणानान्वा शौनको गृहमद्दो गणपतिर्जगति गणपत्यावाहन विनियोगाः. ओम गणानान्वां गणपतिं हवामहे कवि कवीनाम् उपशमन्तं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणा ब्राह्मणस्पतम् आण्णशृण्वतभिः सिद्धिसाधनं वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. सामने वाले प्लेट में whatever things you have, pass it on to this bowl, including coins, everything. Wipe your hands clean. Yeah, we are about to be starting Ganesh Puja. So if she is ready, that's her warning for 10 minutes. I'm gonna need her in a bit now, okay? She's here. Ah, look at you! Oh my gosh. If you are ready, please take your seat. Oh, looks so nice. Yes, right next to mom. Right on time. All right. All three of you repeat these words after me. This is where you are officially sending that invite to Ganpati Bappa. You are telling him that, you know, whatever is happening on the background, whatever hustle bustle, whatever preparations, we are done with it all. Now from this day onwards, we simply gonna sit back, relax and enjoy the whole celebration mood. So it's up to you to see to it that everything is going without any hiccups and as per plans. So I know that there will be some stress, some tensions, but all that something that you enjoy. So no pressure that how the ceremony or how the day will pass. It will be a successful event. So that's deep down, you know, because you have invited Ganeshji. So once we gonna pamper Ganpati Bappa, he will see to it that everything is going without any obstacles. So both three of you now repeat after me. Asmin रिद्धि बुद्धि सहितम महागणपति सागर सहपरिवार सायुधम सशक्तिकम आवाहयामि. महागणपतये नमो नमः. महागणपतिम आह्वाय. महागणपतये नमो नमः. पाद्यों पाद्यं समर्पयामि. You touch your mom, yeah. महागणपतये नमो नमः. अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि. He has graciously accepted your invitation. God knows from where he must be traveling here. So to soothe out his journey, give him, you know, comfortable level enough, pour water 3 more times all over his body. Achamaniyam samarpayami, snaniyam samarpayami, supratishthamastuhu. I always say funnily, consider it like his organic soap. So after you are done with that, you're gonna switch. And she comes up and she gonna give him a nice bath while I say my Abhishek mantra. While you offer Panchamrut, all three of you bear the thought that you are not just trying to evoke Ganeshji here, but Panchamrut is a combination, is a symbol to 5 elements in the nature. So we are hoping, aspiring for all the blessings from around us. Okay? So keep offering drop by drop. अथ पंचामृत स्नानम ओम आपयस्व समेतु ते विश्वासोमवृण्णा भवावाजस्व संघते कामोधेनो समुत्पन्नं देवपितृदप्तीदं पयो दधामि देवेशे स्नानार्थे प्रतिगृह्यतां श्री गजाननाय नमो नमः पयो स्नानं समर्पयामि ओम दधिकार्णो अकराजितं जितरतिनं वाहिनं सुरभीनो मुखा करत्राणम् आयुषित तारिषत् चंद्रमंडल संकाशं सर्वदेव प्रियं दधि स्नानार्थे ते प्रयच्छामि गृहाण परमेश्वर श्री सिद्धिविनायकाय नमो नमः दधि स्नानं समर्पयामि ओम घृतमिमक्षे श्रीतघृतमस्वं ध्वामम् अनुद्भया च मादस्य स्वाकृतं वृक्षभं वक्षिहव्यम् आज्यम सुवर्णाहारणम् आज्यम यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठम् आज्यम परम पवित्रं स्नानार्थे प्रतिगृह्यतां श्री चिन्मयाय नमो नमः घृतस्नानं समर्पयामि ओम मधुवार्ता ऋतयांते मधुरक्षन्त सिन्धिवा मार्विनं संशोधपि मधुरक्षन्ति मधुपार्थिवं रजः मधुदवृत्तिन पिता मधुमानो वनस्पति धूमा अस्तु सूर्या मार्विनं भवन्तु ते सर्वपीयूष सदृशं मधु अवपश्चातात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरातात् अवदक्षिणातात् अवचौद्वार्तात् अवाद्धरातात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाग्मयस्त्वं चिन्मयः त्वं आनन्दमयस्त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दाद्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं तत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं तत्त्व तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधार स्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मास्त्वं विष्णुस्त्वं रुद्रस्त्वम् इन्द्रस्त्वम् अग्निस्त्वं वायुस्त्वं सूर्यस्त्वं चन्द्रमास्त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्यं वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारः परतरः अर्धे नुलसितं तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तवमनुस्वरूपं गकार पूर्वरूपं अकारो मध्यमरूपं अनुस्वार शान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तररूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता संधिः सैषा गणेश विद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छुद् गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ओम गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदं च वरदं हस्तै बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च सृष्ट्याद्यौ प्रकृतेः पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः. Good job. Now you're gonna take a rose petal, break it up into half. Just take a small piece that can sit in the spoon, just big enough, okay? I'm gonna rub some perfume on it. You're gonna dip same petal, just take one piece and dip same petal in this one too, okay? So we have to make sure to give Ganesh ji a nice aromatherapy kind of a bath, okay? So he must be feeling cold by now. Now take a spoonful of water and put this petal, yes, absolutely. So put this petal in the spoon face down. Perfect. Now give it to dad. Can you reach? Yeah. Okay. So use that. स्नान कुर्यात. Offer everything. सब चढ़ा दो गणपति के ऊपर. Everything goes. Perfect. Now take another petal and get that black from the bottom. Just don't finish it, okay? Take little bit and save it right here somewhere in the perfect. Keep it. Keep holding. अब ये rest of that black, you both, only parents, will go out, main door and back door. As you face the door, one of you will apply the black on the right side of the door or the frame or the wall, and other one goes on the left side, front and back, as you are entering. Okay, so this is where in at least old times, especially लड़की वालों का जो घर होता था वहाँ बारात लेके दूल्हा आता था. So this is the area considered to be the mandap actual. Nowadays, for convenience and so many other factors, we move the weddings to other venues. So it's still, no matter what, it's still the place where the dulha or the barat will supposedly come. So we have to secure the premises from all that might be around, the negative. So you are making sure that the entering points, basically, you are warding that evil off by applying that black. Still don't finish it off, okay? काजल लगाना है, लेकिन लगाते वक्त make sure कि खत्म नहीं करना आप. I need some more, okay? So go ahead.
Right side पे teacher.
Right and left, both sides. Correct. So one of you will use right side, other one can go left, and same goes for back. महागणपतये नमो नमः. सुप्रतिष्ठमस्तु. I'm gonna give you this janev that goes around Ganesh ji, diagonal like this. Okay? Mahaganapataye, yeah, wipe it. Mahaganapataye namo namaha yajñopavitam samarapayami. You're gonna use, these are his clothes, vastra. So that go just like you would wear a shirt, open part coming right up front. This stays over his shoulders. महागणपतये नमो नमः वस्त्रोपवस्त्रे कार्पसवस्त्रे समर्पयामि. महागणपतये नमो नमः ऋतुकालोद्भव पुष्पं प्रसन्नं perfect. दुर्वांकुरा च समर्पयामि. Yeah, we don't need it. Perfect. Now go ahead. पानी 3 सर्कल लगाइए. Okay. Show it to Ganesh ji, little bit of water for him to drink after he finishes eating and let go in the plate. Naivedya madhye paniyam samarpayami. You can put the spoon back in the glass. You all three, if you can reach, or he can do it, and you just touch the hands. Offer some colored rice on Ganesh ji, praying to him that we are hoping that not just today's occasion, but everything is, all the coming days are going as per plans. Go ahead. नमस्करोमि कार्यमे सिद्धिमायन्तु प्रसन्ने त्वयि धातरि विघ्नानि नाशमायन्तु सर्वाणि सुरनायक. ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा. महागणपतये नमो नमः. मंत्रपुष्पं समर्पयामि. मुखवासार्थे पुंगिफलताम्बूलं सुवर्ण निष्क्रिय दक्षिणां समर्पयामि. take a fool or petals that goes right here. Add a bunch. We have lots of flowers. Yeah, if we need, we'll pluck more. All right. So whatever liquid you have in the plate, again discard it in here. तथा दीप देवताभ्यो नमो नमः भो दीपम ब्रह्म रूपस्त्वं यावत् पूजा समाप्ति तासौ सुस्थिरौ भव. Bell now. अपवित्रान् पवित्रो वा सर्वोवस्थां गतोऽपि वः यः स्मरेत्. No, keep offer the petal to the bell. सर्वोवस्थां गतोऽपि वः यः स्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं सबाह्य अभ्यन्तरं शुचिं दीपदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः. हाँ जी, that's fine. Now use another petal and offer it to agarbatti stand. Perfect. Take a petal small enough that can dip it in here and stick it to this container. हाँ, आधा कर सकते हो, लेकिन make sure it's wet enough that it stays there. गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जले अस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु कलशाय नमो नमः. Perfect. Take some more chandan and try to touch it somewhere on the edge of this dish. Perfect. Now touch this spoon right at the tip and the spoon in the Panchamrut too. So you have acknowledged all the things that you are taking help to conduct the ceremony. Now that we have acknowledged everything, we're going to establish these two kalash. So these two kalash, after the establishing of those, we're going to do the sthapana of Manik Stambh. So whoever is helping, we need mainly all the male in the family. Okay. So whoever is around, this is your like 5-7 minutes warning. So be around. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, all the whoever male. Yeah. So those two kalash right now, they are just filled with water. There is no significance of anything at all right now. But once we are readying the kalash, the first one is a representation of Varun, which is a representation of ocean where the water cycle exists from. So through this kalash, you are in a way urging that rain god that we know your importance in our lives, but we know Houston especially, rain can be such a nuisance sometimes. So you are praying that for our D-Day, please don't create any nuisance. We are hoping only helpful nature from you. So don't create any nuisance for our Bharat or whatever. Okay, so that's why we're going to establish that pot. And being human, we give way too much importance to our lives. So that other kalash, which is called Mangal Kalash, is a representation of human life. Not just yet. Abhi 5-10 minutes, I just wanted to give you the warning that get people around, yeah, let them know. That's all. Okay, so ye kalash is a representation of her coming life, her future. So whatever we're going to add in will underline the fact that her coming future is full of hope, wealth, growth, everything that she desires for. So everything, all the actions we are about to be doing, you will do with this kalash first, followed by that. So go ahead and get little bit of water from this and add in both. First with this, then that. There you go. Then you're going to add a coin in each. One in each. Awesome. One supari in each. That goes in. Perfect. One tulsi in each. हाँ, yeah, make sure, yeah. Yes, वो wind की वजह से आ रहा है. So Durva goes in first one now, and another two, second one. Perfect. Take a flower or a petal. Ideally, petal is good. Dip it in sandalwood paste. Dip it in akshata. That goes in this kalash. Yeah. Then chokha. That goes in first one. Same goes with other one. Perfect. Then you're gonna use mango leaves. Mango leaves goes, whatever you have, divide it into two. Yeah, so 5 in each. That goes in. That second kalash is something that her sister will hold behind her. Since this is, we call kara or a kalash, a pot, which is a representation of her life. So her sister or her siblings are in charge in a way of holding her life, making sure it's secure enough. Go ahead. Stem in. Yes. Put it in. Don't worry. We're going to add pan ke patte bhi. Perfect. Now, next one. First. Take 3 betel leaves. 3 in each. तण्डुलोपरि आकलशेषु धावन्ति पवित्रं परिसिञ्चन्ते ऊर्ध्वन्तु वर्धते इति कलशं संस्थाप्य कलशं जले निक्षिप्य गन्ध अक्षता पुष्पान् दुर्वाङ्कुरम् आम्रपल्लवं हिरण्यच दैट्स इट हिरण्यच निक्षिप्य पूर्वापरि सुपूर्णाते वक्रशेण विकृशवाः ईशमूर्जा शतक्रतो इति मङ्गलकलशं विधाय कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु कंठे रुद्र समाश्रिता मूले तत्र मध्यो कुक्षो गणा स्मृता कुक्षौ तु सागरा सर्वे सप्तद्वीपा वसुन्धरा ऋग्वेदो यजुर्वेदो सामवेद अथर्वेण अंगैश्य सहिता सर्वकलशं तु समाश्रिता अत्र गायत्री सावित्री शांति पुष्टि करि तथा आयान्तु देवपूजार्थे दुरितक्षयकारका गंगे च मुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जले अस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु कलशाये नमो नमः. Now I am going to give you these beads like a smiley face. You're going to stick it to the swastik on nariyal. Okay? So like English letter U, from here to there. There you go. And same goes with other one. Perfect. Awesome. Imagine that this is a lotus bud. Lotus in our culture is a symbol to so many good things. Right now you're gonna expect that this is the symbol of coming good future, enlightenment, everything good, everything you hope for. So right now, even if it's just a bud, it's slowly blooming into a nice flower. So when you start opening it up, make sure your little fingers and thumb, they are connected. They shouldn't fall apart. So जितना open करना है करो, लेकिन ये connected ही रहने चाहिए. Hold it over your head and slowly keep opening it up. अवाकृत जानुमंडलम कमलमुकुलम सदृशम क्षीरधार्यहम दक्षिणेन पाणिना सुपूर्णा पूर्णम आशीयतो प्रार्थनायते इति प्रार्थनामह्यम. That's it. Now maybe music to your ears. You can stretch your legs. We're gonna go out for this. Okay, let's go. You guys, if you want to come, you can come, but you can keep sitting if you want to. It's up to you. We're gonna do, this is the part where all the gents, all the male in the family, they are making sure that this is the area जहाँ पे ये underline होगी fact कि ये शादी वाला घर है. So this Manik Stamp is something in old times at least is supposed to be made of precious jewels, precious gemstones, which will shine bright in the, in the sun. And it also explains that this is the home that's the most important one in the lane. Okay, because it's shiny and all, and also because it's something which symbolizes with your wealth in a way. So ये भी कहा जाता था कि आपके घर में माणिक स्तंभ लगा है, that means this home is full of wealth, prosperity, everything good. So ये जिम्मेदारी, at least in old times, male used to be the breadwinners of the household. So इसलिए उनके हाथ से ये की जाती है विधि. और ये भी बात होती है कि ये लोग सब उस बेटे को या बेटी को प्रॉमिस करते हैं घर के कि you are getting married but we are here supporting you, so don't worry. Once the Manik Stamp is done, then it is believed कि ये शादी वाला घर, no matter what happens, अब ये शादी होके रहेगी. We all are here to see to it कि बिना कोई प्रॉब्लम, बिना कोई ऑब्स्टिकल्स, जो भी हो हम लोग ये करके ही रहेंगे. Sun might rise from west, but this शादी won't stop. Okay, so that's why Manik Stamp is that important. Oh, okay. So let's go out. Om Ano Bhadra Kratam Matru iti Shanti Mantrasyaha Manikastambha Devataham Krupa Prasadenah Siddhyarthah iti Vivaha Sanskara Siddhyarthah Devanam Bhadro Ati Kshitaram Divam Dive Nirvantayo Tebhyam Agravantu Avikshanasthyam Swasti Devaham Swastaye स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूखा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नक्षत्रौ अरिष्ठनेमि स्वस्ति नौ बृहस्पतिर्दधातु मूतमात्रस्यम् इति शुभ्रान्तैः विघ्नमातुं जग्मयाः भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृण्वयाम देवा भद्रं पश्येमानभीर्यजत्राः सन्ति भीतो यतन्नातृ जरशान्तन्नुताहि आदिन्व्रतन्तु पूषाम् असुरो दधातुनु पृथिव्यै सचेतुनु स्वस्तये वायु भुवनाति अस्पति पाविन्नातृ अधयस्ते कृत्वः भवन्नातृ इति शरणं प्रपद्ये. Now go ahead and add all the mitti in. You did? Okay, it's standing. So ये गणेश जी से शुरुआत करते हुए you gonna offer, mom will offer a dot of Panchamrit on each supari. Once she is done doing that, you simply gonna offer petals on all suparis. This is where you are acknowledging all those female energies. You being woman yourselves, this is the part only you will do it. And in addition to that, one of those is your Kula Devata. You're gonna pray to your Kula Devata. If I'm doing this puja at home, that says a lot. मेरे घर में, it's okay, let them. मेरे घर में I am gaining a new family in a way. वृद्धि हो रही है, correct? So you are being thankful for that. You are saying your gratitude towards that Kula Devata, and being one of the Shakti, you are also urging, especially you mom, all those Shakti Roop, that she is a part of me, she is a part of you. Whatever energy I have is from you guys. So make sure to give her maturity enough to use that energy in a right way, never ever abusing the energies, the trust bestowed in you. Okay? And you also gonna pray that as a mother, as a parent, I have tried my best. I'm not holding back to give her all the morals, the values, the good, whatever. So she need to put to a good use. My job is done. So it's now on her shoulders. So give her responsibility enough and maturity enough to make the decisions worthwhile. Okay? So while I say my things, You go ahead, offer Panchamrit and she will offer petals. Atha matruka pujayami, vinayakam namaha, vinayakam avhaya, shachai namaha, shachim avahayami, gauriyai namaha, gaurim avahayami, varraye namaha, varrahim avahayami, चामुंडाये नमः चामुंडाम आवाहयामि जयाये नमः जयाम आवाहयामि विजयाये नमः विजयाम आवाहयामि सावित्री नमः let her finish first and then you can go. Okay, yeah. विजयाये नमः विजयाम आवाहयामि जयाये नमः जयाम आवाहयामि लोकमातृभ्यो नमः लोकमातृम आवाहयामि स्वधाये नमः स्वधाम आवाहयामि वर्राये नमः वर्राहिम आवाहयामि कुलदेवताये नमः कुलदेवताम आवाहयामि पुष्ट्यै नमः पुष्टिम आवाहयामि तुष्ट्यै नमः तुष्टिम आवाहयामि चामुण्डे नमः चामुण्डाम आवाहयामि इंद्राण्ये नमः इंद्राणीम आवाहयामि लक्ष्म्यै नमः लक्ष्मीम आवाहयामि सरस्वत्यै नमः सरस्वतीम आवाहयामि कात्यायनी नमः कात्यायनीम आवाहयामि माहेश्वरी नमः माहेश्वरीम आवाहयामि भगवते नमः भगवतीम आवाहयामि दुर्गाये नमः दुर्गाम आवाहयामि क्षेत्रपालाय नमः क्षेत्रपालम आवाहयामि ओम तदस्तु मित्रवरुणा तक्ष्मीयाति ग्राहीमृतं नमो दिवे बृहते साधनाय तं प्रतिष्ठा तमया वाचं दूर इवं पशु लभ्यते नानाजिशमिषति गृहायै पशूनां प्रतिष्ठा प्रतिष्ठा गौरादिवाहित देवतां सुप्रतिष्ठां सन्तुः पंचोपचारे संपूज्य हरिद्रां कुंकुमं नानाविध संपादित पुष्पं समर्पयामि या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Now mom, you're gonna take this perfume and rub on her, but at the certain spots, mainly both her veins near the wrist and behind her ear. It's open, just open. It's just regular open it up. Yeah, just twist it. Okay, I'll help. Got it? Okay. और ये लगाते वक्त especially on days like this, because of all the stress or the whatever hustle bustle goes, it's kind of emotional and stressful. So to soothe out her nerves and to acknowledge the Shakti in her through the Shakti in you, because these are all female energies, they love all the things that smells good or the makeup and clothes and whatnot. So this is your way to telling her that all this perfume is a symbol of Khushbu, is a symbol of all the good that might be coming in the future. So the Khushbu, you in charge to spread it all along. Okay? So it's not just to soothe out your nerves, there's a deep meaning. She did her job. Now it's up to you. It's your responsibility to give back. Go ahead. And rub it. Perfect. Behind it. Perfect. There you go. Awesome. All right. Keep it back. That last fourth betel leaves, pair all the things on. Out of the fruits remaining, pick a fruit that you three ladies, you both and your sister would like to finish. Yeah, you have to finish it today. Only the Shakti, only the female energies of the household will eat it. So you three will share only. Okay? So banana it is? Yeah, perfect. Place it. Little bit of water goes on top of the fruit and few petals goes on. Mukhavasarthe pungifalatambulam suvarna nishkriya dakshinam samarapayami. Perfect. Now you both can take break. I just need him. Stretch your legs and I'll call you again whenever I need you. Usually we pour it through this area, palm. This time you're gonna pour it through your thumb area in the plate. और ये करते वक्त you're gonna remember all your loved family members, those who are not here amongst us anymore. They are at a better place. So you're gonna remember them and tell them that on this happy occasion, we are not even forgetting you. We need your blessings. We have to make sure that you are blessing our daughter like her guardian angel. So be there, okay? आप ऐसे सारे लोगों को याद करिए, not just on your side of the family, even उनकी तरफ वाले और आपके मामा की तरफ वाले, जैसे माँ की तरफ वाले अगर कोई नहीं है, उस सबको याद करिए. Even your friends count. जिनको जिनको आप याद करना चाहो, मैं जब तक कहती रहूँ, हाथ के ऊपर से पानी को याद करते हुए चढ़ाते रहिए. Go ahead. Correct. So you're gonna take a spoonful, pour it on, but it need to roll down drop by drop through this area. Tilt it, yeah. Tilt it and put it right at this spot so it rolls away. Got it? Perfect. इति नांदी श्राद्धक्य नांदी फलम ति दक्षिणां दातु महन्नात्रः गौरमानस्त्याः एतनारंभ सत्यवसु संज्ञके विनायक गौरादि षोडश मातरा ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा वयं च पाद्यं स्वाहा नयं च वृद्धिः नांदी श्राद्धक्य तत्वा मातु पितृपितामह प्रपिथ्यामह. Just say the name of your gotra in your mind. प्रपिथ्यामह देवमानस्त्याः मातृत्रयीः सत्यवसु संज्ञके विश्वे देवो नांदिमुखं भूर्भुवः स्वाहा वयं च पाद्यं स्वाहा नयं च वृद्धिः मातृपितामह प्रपिथ्यामह उपाख्ये गायका नरेवमानो आभिदेवमीक्षयतु शन्तित्रो अत्रिध्याः शन्निरातुं सोमाय गाथमर्चतं वतावातं वतामधुः अहेळमानो वरुणं कर्वमात्रः सत्वमानस्त्यं पशुमं यजमानं दधाचारणेन अनेन नांदी श्राद्धेन नांदिमुखदेवतां प्रियतां इति वृद्धिः. That's it. Whatever you have from the plate, again discard it. But for 2 days minimum, we want to have only and only good positive effects, especially on her. So you are giving the due credit to all those movements of those 9 planets will have in the universe. I will keep saying my things. I will let you know the order. Dad will start by offering Panchamrit right on the supari, except for the middle one, where you have that yantra, where you have that symbol of silver plate. So first you're gonna offer on that silver plate. Once you are done offering Panchamrit, you're gonna offer the grain the supari is sitting on. I will let you know which grain. So Parulji can give you the grain. You're gonna offer the grain, and then Parulji will offer flowers. I will let you know the color. Since we only have 2 colors, I will give you the directions for particular color which goes from out of the plate. If not, you can use any color or any petals that goes right up front the supari. Start with the middle one, which is sitting on barley or gehu, whatever you have. So that is the plate I'm referring to, but the grain going to be the barley, and then goes any color petal that you prefer. Go ahead. आकृष्णाः रजसा वर्तमानो नियमामृतं मर्त्यञ्च सवितारथेन देवो याति भुवनानि पश्यन् कलिंगदेशोद्धव काश्यपसगोत्र सूर्य इहागच्छ इह तिष्ठ सूर्याय नमः सूर्यम् आवाहयामि. Perfect. Now goes the grain. देवदानव मध्याह्ने सन्ध्वमात्रः एतरस्त्याहम् एतोऽमृतन्तु इति आदित्य स्वरूपाणाम् अहन्नात्रस्यं तपो प्रावन्तभिः. Yeah, just grain goes there. Correct, same one. I'll tell you when to switch, and few petals. Any color is fine. And Kiritji, you're gonna offer this Janev on top of that plate, including supari behind. So go ahead. Perfect. आ जाएगा आराम से. And same way goes वस्त्र. That goes to again open end up front. Corner में जो सुपारी है green and yellow मूंग के दाल के ऊपर. Top line corner one. That's बुध. Okay, बुध देवता को वो मर्क्यूरी है. उनको आपको बोलना है कि that's the planet which represents good knowledge, wisdom, बुद्धि. तो बोलना है आपको कि 2-4 दिन ही सही, सबको अच्छी बुद्धि चाहिए. We don't want to go on a malicious ways or hampering or dampening any situation. So सबको अच्छी बुद्धि दीजिए, ये कहते हुए ऑफर करिए. And any flowers again, and both grain goes on that. Okay, yellow and green both move. ओम उद्दमानस्त्याः बुधवाहन विनियोगा बर्दन्नातृ बहेव सनीरा ददक्रण्णं ये वहस्त्याः ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा मगधदेशोद्धव आत्रेय सगोत्र बुध इहागच्छ इह तिष्ठ बुधाये नमः बुधम आवाहयामि. नाउ कम्स बिल्कुल उसके नीचे हरभरा जो उसके ऊपर जो बैठा है वो है गुरु. टुडे बीइंग today's day is the ruling day for Jupiter. Thursday is Guru का दिन होता है, ये गुरुवार. That's the planet which represents all your mentors, all your gurus or whoever inspires you in a way. तो उन सबको मन में याद करते हुए उस पर सारा grain, पंचामृत and flowers चढ़ाने हैं. I wear usually color of the day. That's why I'm wearing yellow today. Okay, तो ये गुरु भगवान है. Yeah, he is wearing yellow too. So go ahead and offer that on Guru. ओम बृहस्पते गृहमद्दो बृहस्पति तृष्टुप बृहस्पत्य वाहन विनियोगाः बृहस्पति कृतभेषन्ति आदिमानस्त्याः तस्माद्रडु देविनं देहि चित्रस्य सिन्धुदेशोद्धव आंगिरसगोत्र बृहस्पते इहागच्छ इह तिष्ठ बृहस्पतये नमः बृहस्पतिम आवाहयामि। अब यहाँ से सिर्फ हल्दी लेनी है, सिंस दैट्स येलो टू कलर, और सुपारी पे ऑफर करनी है। Perfect. Now I only want her to do this part. So either dad can scoot back and you take the center one, but this is only for one time and he comes back. So the supari, top line, middle one, again sitting on rice. That's Venus, Shukra. Okay. So whenever Shukra is in the conversation, Venus is the ruling planet which rules all the materialistic thing in the world. Humans, we are more materialistic than spiritual, and Shukra, Venus, is the ruling planet which enhances your love life. So whenever we have to look for auspicious times and all, we have to make sure that that Venus is at the right spot on the horizon. Without that Shukra birth, we can't take good muhurats. So that's the Venus. You stepping into your married life soon. Marriage is, after all about gaining love. Love doesn't mean just a love between husband and wife. It can be on lots of levels. A love between you and a pet, a love between you and even a plant. So you gonna pray to that Venus that in my life there shouldn't be abundance of love. Okay? So go ahead. While I say my things, you're gonna offer Panchamrit first. Rice goes on top, and of course whatever rice you have, you're gonna finish it off this time. We're not gonna save it. Through you, you are enhancing the love. Okay? And you're gonna offer some perfume. Shukravahana viniyoga shukra ushannari prappennatu divyana jyotihi om bhurbhuva swaha bhojakataka correct bhojakataka deshodhava. All of it, just get it in one go. Yeah, everything goes. भोजकटक देशोद्धव भार्गव सगोत्र शुक्र इहागच्छ इह तिष्ठ शुक्राय नमः शुक्रम आवाहयामि. Pink, off white, yellow, all those shades. White is the color of Shukra. Okay, so you're gonna offer these pink petals. Since we have those, which I already rubbed some perfume on, offer it. Perfect. And you guys also pray to Venus that her life, not just her life, we all need good love in our lives. So we need to get your blessings. Okay, move back. Now comes the planet which is more important for our purposes, which is Saturn, Sun, Shanidev. Because our marriage is also happening on a Saturday, we have to make sure to acknowledge the ruling planet of the D-Day. So bottom line, black उड़द की दाल पे जो सुपारी बैठी है, उनको सबसे पहले तो चंदन लगाइए. शनिदेव की वक्र दृष्टि वैसे भी किसी को नहीं चाहिए. You have to make sure that he is at peace. So make sure he has a soothing, calming effect through that chandan paste. और शनिदेव माने जाते हैं, he is सूर्य पुत्र, son of sun. So you have to make sure to give him that soothing feeling anyways. Now goes Panchamrit, dal and food. शन्यराभिटी शन्यारुक शन्यवाहन विनियोगा शंतित्रो अत्रिध्याः अस्पतातु सूर्य ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा सौराष्ट्र देशोद्धव काश्यप सगोत्र शनिश्चर इहागच्छ इह तिष्ठ शनिश्चराय नमः शनिश्चरम आवाहयामि. Perfect. Now comes two suparis sitting on black sesame seeds. First goes that side, then goes this side. You will do simultaneous actions. First Panchamrit on both, black till on both, and flowers on both. कहे वामोदेमो राहु गायत्री राव्यवाहन विनियोगा कहे शमातुम आभुवतति सखे मृताः ओम भूर्भुवः स्वाहा राठीन पुरोद्धव पैठीन सगोत्र राहो इहागच्छ इह तिष्ठ राहवे नमः राहुम आवाहयामि. केतु कृण्ड मधुच्छन्दाः केतु गायति केतुर्वाहन विनियोगा मर्यापुन्नारु समुद्र भीरजथस्य केतवे इहागच्छ इह तिष्ठ. We have some. इहागच्छ इह तिष्ठ जैमिन सगोत्र केतुम आह्वाह्य. So all the directions have their own rulers. They are the boss of that particular direction. We are pointing those lamps towards those directions in hope that they will keep good eye on our whole ceremony part. So we are lighting the lamps. It's a very naive of us, but we are showing them the light. That this is the area you need to keep your attention, your focus on. So there is a container kept over there with some oil in. Put the oil in all the diyas. बिल्कुल, और इतना डालिएगा कि 2 मिनट दिए चलने चाहिए हमें. Those wicks are already soaked in, so that they will go good. So now all the grains, whatever leftover you have, except till, everything you're gonna put it in your own again containers, imagining that this is the leftover blessing from all the planets. No, whenever. Lekin I need till for Havan part. So till goes in this plate. I want to put this thread on her now. Your left wrist. And I have to do, if it's minded, then just one is okay. But since this is this thread, I have to do 7 rounds. Okay? Yeah. That's for the wedding day. Yeah, for today also we tie a Raksha Sutra. Yeah, so we're gonna just do this. Okay, now hold this one and let me know if it's tight or like enough loose or whatever. Okay, then tie it on the groom later. This is just to, because आजकल क्या होता है कि घर के बाहर बच्चे जाते हैं and before the wedding they are not supposed to do so many things. So this is in a way रक्षा सूत्र है ये, उनको protect करेगा. That's all. All right. अब वो जो सामने कलश रखा है, that's the one you wanna establish. Okay. This is the kalash. You ultimately have to place it in your mandir. We call this kalash Avigna Ganesh. So this is the kalash which sees to it कि अगर यहाँ पे we have to acknowledge कि अगर अच्छा है तो बुरा होगा ही. So if there is at all any negativity, that kalash attracts it and absorbs and keep it holding it. So that's the kalash. You put it in your mandir, acknowledging your Kula Devata. She is in charge of protecting the household. So from now on, once the kalash is set, she is in charge to see to it that everything, the bad is absorbed in that kalash and she can handle everything, whatever. Okay? So inside, go ahead and drop one supari, coin. Then goes few petals. Durva, I'm going to give it from here. Tulsi, so give that. Tulsi goes in. And 5 mango, betel leaves goes in, 5 particularly. So take big ones. Okay. You can move it up front if you need to. There's not enough room back there. Okay. This goes. In goes this coconut, aligning the swastik with the swastik on the kalash. With the design is hard to find, but is there. Perfect. Now this one, again, like a smiley face, goes on the coconut. Correct. Just like we did here. Okay. Now you're gonna take few petals. Few petals goes on this coconut, few goes over there, and few goes on that third one. One or two, whatever sits nicely. Perfect. Over there. Okay. That kalash goes either on the leaf if you have enough room or on the side. Swastik facing outward. और ये कलश तब तक वहाँ रहेगी जब तक ये दोनों as a couple, as a married couple, first time जब तक यहाँ नहीं आते तब तक वो ही रहेगी. Once they are in here, they will say thank you to Manikstam outside. Go straight away to this kalash. Once they step in, आप उनको आरती वगैरह जो करना है वो करके अंदर लीजिए. Then they go right away in the mandir. Offer haldi and kumkum to the coconut kept on the kalash. And you're gonna move the kalash like little bit, whatever it was placed on originally. That's how you get the closure that the Vivaha Sanskar is a complete ceremony now. So till then it stays there because it is Avigna Kalash. So till then if there is any bad, we need to get it absorbed in that. Okay? उठाइए, अभी पहले खड़े हो जाइए आराम से, फिर उठाइए एंड टेक इट विथ यू। इति अविघ्न मंडप देवता कलशम संस्थाप्य कुल देवताम आवाहयामि उमा गर्भिण्यै मैत्र गर्भिण्यै पोक्ष गर्भिण्यै मंत्रवर्धिनीं प्रियताम तेभ्यमागवस्तम अहो प्रावन्तभिः शांति देवतां शांतिरस्ताः एतनारंभः मनोभावन्तभिः सर्वसोमाहं कर्तुकर्माणिभिः शांतिरस्त्यस्त्यम् अहन्नातृः अरुन्धत्य प्रियतां भगवती नारायणी प्रियतां सर्वसूर्य सावित्री आदित्यादि स्वरूपाणां देवताम् इति प्रियतां पूर्वादिश दिक्षुम् इंद्राय नमः इंद्रम् आवाहयामि अग्नये नमः अग्निम् आवाहयामि यमाय नमः यमम् आवाहयामि निवृत्तये नमः निवृत्तिम् आवाहयामि वरुणाय नमः वरुणम् आवाहयामि वायव्ये नमः वायुम् आवाहयामि कुबेराय नमः कुबेरम् आवाहयामि ईशान्याय नमः ईशान्यम् आवाहयामि इहैवागत्यम् अष्टक्षेत्रपालान् आदित्यादि नवग्रह देवतां मंडप देवताम् आह्वाह्य देवक स्थापनार्थे ग्रह शांति प्रीत्यर्थाः कुल देवताम् अविघ्न कलशं संस्थाप्य। श्रुति स्मृति पुराणोक्त फल प्राप्त्यर्थम मम अस्य कन्याः विवाह संस्कार प्रीत्यर्थे ग्रहादि अनुकूलता सिद्ध्यर्थे हवनादि सकल कर्म करिष्ये। Dad, just let go some water in the plate. हाथ के ऊपर से, परफेक्ट। अभी हाथ फिर से साफ कर लीजिए। Now this is the havan part which is considered for any puja. When we do any fire ritual as such, it brings you the closure. It gives you the satisfaction of the whole complete ceremony happening. Agni is considered to be the witness and medium. Not just for today's occasion, but you're going to pray to the fire that once we have evoked you here, you need to be our prime witness for our D-Day. Without the fire ritual, no wedding is considered to be a complete ceremony. So, just like that, this part also, once the fire is established here, you're gonna keep holding that fire in your house, in a way in your cooking area for a couple more days as the most esteemed guest. So, whenever in those 2 days, whenever you have the opportunity or you gonna use the gas, at least once in a day, you have to offer some food to the flame. It can be as simple as ghee. Just एक डॉट डाल देना है, acknowledging कि आप हमारे गेस्ट हो, अभी आपके लिए आपका फेवरेट फूड दे दिया है. Okay, so remember that just for 2 days, not longer than that. Yes. So for the fire part, आपको पारुल जी, fire is considered to be the main source to cook food, to give the nutritional value coming from the food. Nowadays, it's pretty much a shared responsibility, but kitchen is still a pretty much woman's domain. So, ये आपका मान और अधिकार है कि आपके हाथ से ही ये अग्नि की स्थापना की जाती है. So, first of all, you're gonna go using chandan and some flower or a petal in your cooking area. That's the area where you use the agni to cook food, to calm down your agni from your stomach. So you're gonna ask the Lord over there, the fire Lord, that shall I begin? Shall I evoke you in my pit for this puja part? Imagine that you've been given the permission. Keep that flower or a petal dipped in sandalwood paste somewhere close to the fire burners. If you feel like it, sometimes people opt that too. You can use the chandan paste and draw a swastik at the backsplash where the cooking area is, if you feel like it. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Yeah, once you took the permission, then you come back, then we're gonna light up the flame here. Hold it, no, hold it in both hands. Imagine that it's a bamboo pipe. You are blowing your oxygen, kindling the flame. Okay? दोनों हाथों से पकड़िए और 3 बार फूंक मारिए. ओम जुष्टोदमुग्न्या वेणुधमन्यम प्रक्षोभम ध्यायेत अग्नि प्रतिष्ठाप्य. You 3 will hold the stick together. Okay? You can sit comfortably now. That's the stick you gonna offer to this flame as your first ever offering. This will happen during the marriage too. That's gonna be the offering of all the vices that you might have stored. All your egos, your grudges, whatever bad. You're gonna burn it off right here and now. And you're gonna start your journey, your next offerings to the fire on that pure-hearted note. Okay? Dip it in ghee. And all 3 repeat after me. Agnaye. Not yet. Don't offer yet. Just keep holding. Idam namam prajapataye. Idam namam indraye. Idam namam. Now these 3 words you just uttered. Keep a very humble thought. We humans, we boast a lot. I did this, I did that. You are nobody. So you are praying in front of the fire that whatever I am blessed with, I will count my blessings and it's always yours. It was never mine to begin with. Tera tujhko arpan. So go ahead and put it in the flame. Let go. Imagining that you are making a barrier of water so Agni won't go past that. Go ahead. Do 3 rounds. Agnim parisammohanam, Agnim parisammohanam, Agnim parisammohanam. Now for obvious reasons, पानी जो है उसे एकदम दूर हटा के रख दो. अग्नि को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है वो. And the plate also goes on the side. ओम अग्नया प्रहि अग्नया स्थली देवाहम अग्नि जुष्टोदमुग्नि at स्वाहा. ओम प्रजापति व्यावृतम अग्नि प्रतिष्ठाप विनियोगाः. ओम ज्वलंता अंगुष्ठ पर्वकास्त्य मुखम कृणन्तु तेभ्यमागवी सवृतास्त्यः आधार होम स्वाहा. ओम विश्वजानति दुरितक्षातवेदम हविद्रव्य स्वाहा इति ईशानस्त्यम आधार होमः गणन्नात्रः इमामि कल्पयानि हवनीय द्रव्याणि हि स्वाहा. तेभ्यमागवस्तम आकृष्णस्य विश्वतः सोमवृण्णाः एतनारंभः अवन्नातृ आकृष्णाः रजसा वर्तमानो इति सूर्य स्वाहा. समेतु सोमवृण्णाः व्याः बुध स्वाहा. बृहस्पते अतिवमानो कृतभेषन्ति तस्माद्रडुधविडं देहि चित्रम् इति बृहस्पतये स्वाहा. शुक्रो उषन्नरि प्रपेन्नातु दिव्यन ज्योतिः शुक्र स्वाहा. शन्यराभिति शन्यारुक् कस्पतातु अस्तु सूर्य शन्ये स्वाहा. Telling them that you were there, that's why we are here in existence. So just say the name of your gotra in your mind and offer that 3 times back to back. Okay? ओम तभ्यमानस्त्याः अहन्नातृ पितरं भवन्तु स्वाहा. पर्जन्यायै स्वाहा. जयन्तायै स्वाहा. कुलायुधायै स्वाहा. सूर्यायै स्वाहा. सत्यायै स्वाहा. वृषायै स्वाहा. तेभ्यमागवस्तं प्रायश्चित्त शेषाणि हि कर्मान्तु कर्माणि कै स्वाहा. नमो प्रावन्तभिः अथ देवाहं यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देव यज्ञन्तः प्रायश्चित्त होम स्वाहा. आतो देव इहमावृतु समस्त व्यावृति विश्वामित्र जमदग्नि भारद्वाज प्रदन्नातृः स्वाहा. ओम भुव स्वाहा. ओम भवे स्वाहा. ओम अग्नये स्वाहा. अस्मन्नि कर्माणि स्वरानुक्षरं नम कल्पयानि ज्ञाताज्ञात दोष निभरणार्थे संस्कार लोप सिद्ध्यर्थे स्वाहा. परफेक्ट. आई एम सो सरप्राइज कि आपने इतना कुछ उसमें यू हैवंट डन लॉट ऑफ ऑफरिंग्स बट इट्स गोइंग सो गुड. whenever fire accept everything is considered to be a success. भगवान ने ले लिया तो he is the medium, उन तक पहुंच गया. Now you 3, okay, you gonna stand facing south. So if this is your east, that's your south. You guys stay in an area जहाँ पर वहाँ पे एक दिया रखा है, the leftover दिया, take the whole bowl. Okay, आप किरीट भाई वहाँ से वो सर्कल वाला गोला लीजिए. Give it a cylindrical shape. लंब गोलाकार, cylindrical. Roll it. Yeah. Now press. This side is south? Okay. So press. Yeah. Is this your true east? Okay. Yeah. Then that's south. So press your hand like fingers on that shape. And you gonna stick or sprinkle some black til on it. You can put it in the container. He will put it in the container first. You put it with the diya next to it and she will put it on top. Perfect. अब ये दिया we gonna light it up. Okay? आप लोग खड़े रहोगे facing that way. Maybe this is a good area. Somebody from your family or even friends can come and do this, or even 5 or 7 ladies can come and do this. They gonna hold the bowl. All 3 of you will stand that way and they gonna go from head to toe 3 times, hoping to ward off all the bad, all the negative, getting your aura thoroughly clean. Okay? Then whoever is doing that, they will move back 2-3 steps, walking backwards. So stand in a way that they get enough room to go back. Got it? This way. No. They are facing that way, but they will walk backwards. And you guys will face that way. Then that diya, you gonna just उसे बुझा देना है and बंद करके किसी trash या carry bag में डाल के घर के बाहर रख देना है. Whenever is your trash day, you gonna simply discard it. Okay? ठीक है? अभी दिया लगा के पहले खड़े हो जाइए. Oh yeah, right here. Put the wick in. Just give it to her. I don't mess up your nails. Pale balidanam karishe. तत्वमानः सोम कृण्णाप्रहि स्वाहा. Now you gonna take care of the rest. ओम अस्मिनाहं वायुम अग्निः प्रजापत्य उन्नक देवताभ्यः स्वाहा. नमो अंगत्वयेहम इंद्रादि दश दिक्पालम देवयात्री आदित्यादि नवग्रह देवतां प्रीत्यर्थः स्वाहा. ओम नामो मानस्त्यं मोषणां निवृत्ति देवाहं नवमात्रस्य अहत्रानस्त्यहं तत्पुरुषाणहं स्वाहा. अहो क्रोणमानस्त्येः तत्वाहं बृहन् गृहीतमानः सौस्वमातस्त्यं हविद्रव्याणि स्वाहा. ओम सत्पतते सप्तजीवाहं सप्तधामन्यि प्रियाणाः स्वाहा. शतक्रत्वये सर्वतः पूर्णमानस्त्यः अग्नये स्वाहा. हविशेष द्रव्याणि इमा आपसन्तु सन्तु देवाहं यत्कृतन्ति अंजलिस्थानि स्वाहा. अग्नये नमो नमः. अग्नया कृण्णमानभिः स्वाहा. Perfect. All 3 of you gonna go either front yard, backyard, wherever you think. You will take her, okay? You gonna tell and show all the nature that this is, we are just the parents giving birth to her. But after all, she is a part of you, part of the universe. So you gonna show her, maybe if you see sun, if you can feel the wind, maybe bugs, any plants, whatever you see around, which is a part of the nature. You gonna show the nature to her and show the nature your daughter and tell that she nowadays, in the modern sense, kids are off parents' payroll for pretty early time, okay? But in our culture, we still believe that till they are married, they are under parents' care. So you guys are telling the nature that we are sending her out in that real world in a way. So being a part of the nature, we won't be there for her throughout. Nature will be. So keep an good eye on her and also in return telling her that you need to use the nature in the right way, never ever abusing the resources. Okay, being a part of the nature. And that's a special time given to you three as a parent and as a child bond. Okay, we parent, we learn from our mistakes. We are never perfect. We also learn in the process. But deep down, you all know the love, the unconditional bond of love between you three is always there. So you guys get to tell her some advice, a piece of advice that might be helpful, that might come in handy for her coming future. Okay, so this is a private moment, that bond between you two, you three. Nobody will come with you. Photographers, if they want to take the picture, they're going to stay back and do the pictures, not getting close to you. So go and take her. Yeah, give her a hug, whatever you feel like, but this is your private moment. We're not going to come in the way. Yeah, that's a good advice. I really appreciate and admire the way our, Vedas and whatever the ways are, they have given equal weightage to everything, all the aspects of life. So not forgetting any small detail even. So it's amazing. Okay, bet jaiye. So while I say my things, if in addition to all that, if you three have anything that you want to say to any of the deities present here, even to the fire, heart to heart, go ahead and tell that while I say my things. ओम अहन्नातृ आप समुद्रस्याः विश्वतो जातं जातवेदः अग्नया प्रति तत्वाहम् अग्नयास्त्रः अग्नमानस्त्यं तत्वाहं रहो धावन्तभिः अहन्नात्री प्रसाद कुर्वन्ताः कर्म प्रविच्चानि प्रवन्नातृः स्मरणादेवं ततविष्णु संपूर्णतः दितिश्रुतिः प्रायश्चित्तशेषानि तपः कर्माणि कानैवै यस्य स्मृत्या च नामोक्त्या तस्मात् कृष्णानुस्मरणं परम् ओमश्च मे स्वरश्च मे यज्ञोश्च मे यूनं नस्मयात्रः तद्देवाः मृक्तै तस्मै ते नमः अग्नये नमः ओम स्वस्ति देहि मे हव्यवाहनं प्रसाद कुर्वन्ताम् इति प्रवेच्चानि न्यूनं सम्पूर्णतः. All three of you repeat after me. अनेन कृत सग्रहमख आदित्यादि नवग्रह गणेश कुलदेवता मंडपदेवता स्थापनम पूजन प्रियताम न मम. 3 बार हाथ जोड़ के कहिए ओम तत्सत ओम तत्सत ओम तत्सत. For the ceremony part, which includes Havan, we say so many chantings. They are way positive and they create lot of positive energy. Your body is not equipped enough to handle all that positive too. So to nullify it in a right way, we wear that Darbha ring. And now that the use is done, we offered it to the fire. Perfect. Now both of you warm your hands on the fire. Okay? Get enough warmth. She need to feel that warmth.
Okay.
Yeah. So hold it for a bit. There you go. Maybe by the time you pass, it's cooling down.
That's okay, I'm fine.
अब ये बची हुई घी वाला जो डब्बा है, यही ले आइएगा for the marriage day. Yeah, this one. Because we use some for this part, same Havan, the Agni. And then push it. There you go. Perfect. सेम वे वार्म करिए और एक दूसरे पे लगाइए. एंड इफ योर किड्स आर अराउंड कॉल देम टू. नो, दे डिड इट ऑलरेडी. गोत्र का उच्चारण करने के बाद द आहुतिज यू आर डूइंग, दे आर नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू अदर गोत्र. So you can do it on her. I always say funnily कि अगर आपको पता हो कि आपकी कोई बॉडी की हेल्थ वाइज ग्रजेस है, लाइक लोअर बैक एक एंड वॉट एवर, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा लगाइए. यू रिमेंबर योर गोत्र. अह भावस्तमानः गोत्र नामस्तहं तेभ्यमाग्रवन्तु अग्नयास्तः अग्निया पूर्णत्वनामास्तं महन्नातृः स्वाहा. Just hold the spoon, it will melt away. There you go. अच्छे से वार्म करिए. गोत्र उच्चारण करिए and offer it. अग्नया देवाहं तत्तत्सुमानः सर्वमानस्त्यहं बृहो भावन्तपुस्तु दासरात्रः एतराक्रन्मात्रतिः स्वाहा. आप डाल दीजिए. कर्मामानस्त्याहम अहो प्रावत्तभाः अग्नया दीपदेवाहम नमो नमः अहस्मानस्त्यः स्वाहा.